In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. If you've ever tried to make a heading stand out on top of a busy image or colorful background, you already know how quickly text can get lost. The good news is that Canva has a built-in way to create clean, polished text highlights without manually drawing shapes behind every word. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a simple and reliable way. To begin, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From your homepage or recent designs, click on the presentation, flyer, newsletter, or graphic you want to work on so it opens in the editor. Once your design is on screen, move to the text box that contains the words you want to emphasize and click it once. You should see the text box become active with its outline visible, which confirms that you're editing the correct text element. Next, look toward the top of the Canva editor for the text formatting toolbar. This is where Canva places the controls related to text styling. Find the option labeled Effects and click on it. As soon as you do, a settings panel will open, giving you access to several text effect options. This is the area you'll use instead of adding extra shapes or layers manually. Inside that panel, scroll through the available effect styles and look for the option called Background. It usually appears with an icon that suggests text sitting inside a solid shape. Click on Background to apply it. Right away, Canva will place a highlight behind your text, making it much easier to read and helping it stand out from the rest of your design. After that, you can fine-tune the look of the highlight. Under the background settings, adjust the roundness slider to control how sharp or soft the corners appear. Lower values give you a more square and structured look, while higher values create a smoother, more rounded style. Then use the spread slider to change how much space the highlight takes up around the text. A smaller spread keeps it tight and subtle, while a larger spread makes the highlight more noticeable. You can also click the color option and choose a shade that contrasts well with your text and matches the style of your design. Before exporting, take a moment to reposition the text if needed. As you move it around, Canva will show alignment guides to help you snap the text neatly into place. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if you're preparing it for print. Then click Download to save your finished file. That's it. Your highlighted text should now look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.